Hi guys, welcome to another travel series in Romania.
In the following episodes, we will take you along with us to the Bran Castle, also called the Dracula's Castle, Râșnov Medieval Citadel, and the Dinosaur Park in Brașov. Then we will travel to the border of Romania with Serbia, where we will see the Danube boilers, an area of spectacular beauty. We will then embark on a travel to the easternmost point in Romania and chill out at the beach on the shores of the Black Sea. All of this and more coming up in the following episodes. We hope you will enjoy this series.
Stay tuned as we explore together more of this wonderful country of Romania.
We hope you will enjoy watching this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's kick off in this video with our flight to Romania and the first hotel check-in.
And we are on the way to the airport. Hi Elijah. We're going to the airport. You going to the airport, Elijah? Which airport you're going? Heathrow. We are at the airport, Terminal 2, Heathrow, on our way to Romania. And Elijah is watching the planes. Are you going to Romania, Elijah? This is your first travel after 2 years. Wow, the airplane.
Mommy, coming.
What's coming?
Airplane there.
Airplane there.
Airplane.
It's about to land. Look.
Airplane. Like.
Airplane is coming. Can you see that airplane? Look.
Airplane. Airplane.
Oh, it's coming here to Elijah.
What kind? Rocket?
Hello and welcome to Bucharest. Come in, please. This is our hotel room. We are now in Hilton Hotel at the airport in Bucharest, and we've checked in late last night. The flight arrived here very late in the night at 1 o'clock, and we just went straight to bed. We'll give you a quick room tour before we head out. We are going to Brașov. We hope to see the Bran Castle and some other attractions there, like the Dino Park. And this is our room. We have 2 beds that we combine into one. This is our baby. He's sleeping there, still not awake. He was playing around at 3 a.m. in the morning, and now he's sleeping. And yeah, we have some things here for tea, coffee, which we already taken, and we have a small fridge. We kept our waters there and the juice. We have a chair, we have a big TV, which we did not use at all. These are our luggages. We have a hanger for clothes here. And through this door, this is our bathroom. We have, because Sherry wants me in the bathroom, we have a rain shower, which reminds me of what's that hotel in the Philippines we went to? Butaya, but the bathroom is much nicer here. Actually, like in Boracay, when we stayed in the Two Seasons hotel, but that was bigger. But we have a rain shower here. We have another shower thing here. This is very nice, and have a toilet there. Forgive our mess up here. We use the towels. We have towels, and that's about it. The bathroom is very nice. I like the mirror with the light here. You can see everything. Yeah. So this is our quick room tour in Hilton Hotel at Bucharest, next to the airport, Otopeni, Bucharest. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks, and see you on the next one.